How to fix Discord headset mic not working. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Discord headset mic not working. First, launch the Discord app on your phone. If the Discord headset mic not working, first go to the U tab at the bottom. Now, tap on the top right gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down the menu and tap the voice option. Here, toggle on the voice sensitivity button and then increase the output volume. Next, go to the Settings app of your phone. Now, find the Discord app option by scrolling down the menu. Go to Notifications and you can turn on the Sounds button. Then, go back and tap Siri and search to change the settings you like to reset. In Settings, tap on General and then the iPhone storage option. Scroll down to reach the Discord app and tap on it. Next, hit the Offload app button and it will delete the app from your phone. Reinstalling the app can fix this issue. Go to the App Store and search for Discord. Now, download the latest version of the app to avoid bugs on Discord.